We had a nice little break from the snow today, and we're just seeing clouds hanging around the area, and we'll continue to just see cloud cover overnight. But we are tracking another storm that's already prompted a winter weather advisory for the entire viewing area, and this will begin tomorrow morning and will last through tomorrow night. And it's all because we're tracking another system that's going to be moving into the area during the day tomorrow. This shows tonight at midnight we're really just going to be dealing with overcast skies, and we'll have a dry start for the morning commute. But once we get to the afternoon hours, we start to see this second system move in from our west. And notice we'll stop it at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to be dealing with some snow showers, even a wintry mix, especially for the southern counties, and even maybe a little bit of rain mixed in there. And unfortunately, that is right during our evening commute. By 7 o'clock, we should be all switched over to snow showers. That'll push out as high pressure begins to move into the area to start off on your Tuesday. We could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches throughout the entire viewing area. I don't want to rule out the possibility of even higher amounts for the far northern counties. This shows just northern Newton and Jasper County could see a little bit higher amounts of snow just because we're dealing with more snow to the north and to the south, closer to just 1 to 2 inches. I would say more or less the southern half of Montgomery County, and we're not only dealing with snow, but we're also dealing with freezing rain, sleet, which could mean some minor ice accumulation closer to a couple tenths of an inch. And then the timing, unfortunately, is going to be during the evening rush hour, which means we're going to be dealing with some slick roads and reduced visibilities under a quarter of a mile at times. But we do have some good news. A warm up is coming up this week, but that could potentially lead to melting snow and even potentially some flooding on the roads. Right now we're sitting at 21 degrees in Lafayette, seeing overcast skies with winds coming in from the west at 5 miles per hour, with temperatures staying in the upper teens and lower 20s. And this evening will drop to 17 degrees by 10 and then 16 degrees by midnight. Really just dealing with mostly cloudy skies tonight, even into tomorrow morning. Overnight lows falling to 15 in Lafayette, 15 in Delphi, and also 13 degrees for an overnight low in Winnemac. 20 by tomorrow morning. We'll see overcast skies, and then by noon, that's when we really should start to see the sleet snow mix, lasting all through the afternoon, climbing up to 32 degrees by 4 p.m. in the afternoon. In the 30s throughout much of the viewing area. Excuse me. 29 for a high in Rochester, 30 in Winnemac, and a high of 30 degrees in the Remington area. Temperatures are going to warm up this week, which is the best news of all. 40 on Tuesday, 43 on Wednesday, climbing up to 55 degrees. Next Thursday, 45 on Friday, and then a high of 47 degrees next Saturday. So at least we're going to be above the average high of 38, but we have to get through this system first. So tonight we're going to drop to 15 degrees, seeing mostly cloudy skies, and temperatures will eventually warm up in the early morning hours, around 20 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. Winds from the southeast between 5 to 15 miles per hour. And tomorrow, a high of 32 degrees, still seeing a chance for snow, sleet, and freezing rain mixture there, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of ice and snow accumulation.